Wait! Don't skip this video. Today you'll learn a simple daily English conversation in just a few minutes.
Good morning, my dear. Wake up.
Good morning, Mom.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, Mom. I slept very well.
Come on, it's morning. Time to get up.
Mom, I feel a little sleepy.
That's okay. Wash your face and you will feel fresh.
Okay, Mom, I am getting up.
That's my girl. Did you brush your teeth?
Not yet, Mom.
Go and brush your teeth first.
Okay, Mom, I am brushing now.
Good girl. Use toothpaste and brush properly.
Yes, Mom, I am brushing my teeth.
Good girl. Now take a bath and get ready for school.
Okay, Mom.
Wear your school uniform.
Mom, where are my socks?
They are in the drawer.
Thank you, Mom.
Breakfast is ready. Come to the kitchen.
Okay, Mom, I'm coming.
Are you hungry?
Yes, Mom, I am very hungry.
What would you like to eat?
I would like bread and eggs.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you, Mom.
Eat slowly.
Okay, Mom.
Drink your milk too.
Yes, Mom.
Do you like the breakfast?
Yes, Mom, it is very tasty.
I'm happy to hear that.
Thank you, Mom.
Finish your breakfast.
Okay, Mom.
Now wash your hands.
Yes, Mom.
Now get ready for school.
Okay, Mom.
Did you pack your school bag?
Not yet, Mom.
Put your books in the bag.
Okay, Mom.
Don't forget your English book.
Yes, Mom, I won't forget.
Take your water bottle.
Okay, Mom.
Are you ready now?
Yes, Mom, I am ready.
Good girl. Take your school bag.
Yes, Mom.
Let's go.
Okay.
Study well in school.
Okay, Mom.
Listen to your teacher carefully.
Yes, Mom.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, Mom.
Bye.
Bye, Mom.
Welcome back.
Hi, Mom. I'm back.
How was your day?
It was very good.
What did you learn today?
I learned English and math.
That's great.
Mom, I'm a little hungry.
I will give you some snacks.
Thank you, Mom.
Now you can go and play.
Really? Thank you, Mom.
But don't play for too long.
Okay, Mom.
Come back before evening.
Yes, Mom. Enjoy your play.
Now it's time to do your homework.
Okay, Mom.
Sit at the table.
Yes, Mom.
Open your notebook.
Okay, Mom.
Do you need help?
Yes, Mom. Please help me.
Sure, I will help you.
Thank you, Mom.
Finish your homework first.
Okay, Mom.
Dinner is ready.
Okay, Mom. I will go and change.
Sit down properly.
Yes, Mom.
Are you hungry?
Yes, Mom. I am very hungry.
Today I made rice, vegetables, and soup.
Wow, Mom. It smells very good.
Here is your plate.
Thank you, Mom.
Start eating.
Okay, Mom.
Eat your vegetables too.
Okay, Mom. I will.
Vegetables are good for your health.
Yes, Mom, I know.
How was your day at school?
It was good, Mom.
What did you learn today?
I learned English and math.
That's great.
My teacher was very kind today.
I'm happy to hear that. Do you like the dinner?
Yes, Mom, it is very tasty.
Eat slowly.
Okay, Mom.
Drink some water.
Yes, Mom.
Do you want some more rice?
Yes, Mom, a little more, please.
Here you go.
Thank you, Mom.
Are you full now?
Yes, Mom, I am full.
Did you enjoy the dinner?
Yes, Mom, I really enjoyed it.
I'm glad you liked it. Now wash your hands.
Okay, Mom.
Then get ready for bed.
Yes, Mom.
It's getting late now.
Yes, Mom.
It's time to get ready for bed.
Okay, Mom.
First, brush your teeth.
Okay, Mom, I will brush my teeth.
Don't forget to wash your face.
Yes, Mom.
Are you comfortable?
Yes, Mom.
Did you have a good day today?
Yes, Mom, I had a very good day.
What was your favorite part of the day?
Playing in the park.
That sounds fun.
Yes, Mom, it was very fun.
Did you finish your homework today?
Yes, Mom, I finished it.
Good job. I'm proud of you.
Thank you, Mom.
Now close your eyes and relax.
Okay, Mom.
I will turn off the light.
Okay, Mom.
Good night, my dear.
Good night, Mom.
Sweet dreams.
Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something today. Keep practicing and see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.